For Reporter Without Border and for Turkish media ground, it's extremely concerning for us to see that the only mainstream media groups, a critical one still, is led under the hand of holdings close to the government. Although it appears to be just a financial or a media operation, it's more than that. In fact, it's purely a political operations on the eve of 2019 elections, and finally, it will have deep consequences when it's come to cover civil society movement activities, human rights allegations.